Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay? So quickly, before I go fully into it, these are the assets that we will be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, okay? Or you reach out to me via WhatsApp, okay? So quickly, we will be starting with gain X12. This is gain X12. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, okay? So this actually got to the support zone earlier, and of course, right from there, it was unable to break out from there, so it gave us an uptrend signal. So here is a buy signal and it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. Just the way you have seen it, this has been raging within this region for a very long time. Okay, so it is heading up to the resistance zone at the moment. If it breaks out above it, it will buy more till it gets to this region. But if it does not, it will come down again and target this particular spot. Okay, so this is a ranging area. Okay, so I will advise you to wait for a good breakout from there. Okay, so wait for a good breakout from there before you can go into any trade under that. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 1200. Okay, let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This has been an uptrend for a very long time. It has gotten to the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will change the direction of the trend into a downtrend. But we are yet to get the right signal for that. Okay, so for now, it is still buying because if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's still going to buy more. If it does not, then we will be heading on for a sell, okay, right from there. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out fully from that resistance zone. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. It started an uptrend right from here, but after getting to this region, it started playing around there for a while. Okay, so I will also advise you to wait for a clear breakout from there. Okay, also wait for a clear breakout from there. Okay, so the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It was on uptrend for a while, but after getting to the resistance zone and it was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there. And as you can see, it is selling at the moment. So this should be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity for us. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.